Where would you guys go?
I was following him in the past.
What's up, guys? One of the last after action reviews. Bike, as you know, is still in the shop. And honestly, I haven't had really time to ride on the weekends. I've just been super busy, but providing this content for you guys as well. This one is a fun one of me chasing my friend, Ricky Ross, the boss, on the R1 down Piuma Road, which is one of the famous roads here in the Santa Monica Mountains and in LA. Very, very scenic, a lot of sweeping turns, and it gets really bumpy, almost like riding a horse at some point. So had a fun time chasing him down Piuma, which is pretty technical and difficult in its own, but I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and without further ado.
Piuma Road, where Malibu drops the mask and the mountain takes command. This isn't just asphalt, it's a raw, twisting line carved through unforgiving stone, daring every rider to earn the next turn. Here, the throttle isn't just motion, it's a declaration. Each corner pulls harder, each climb sharper, each second heavier with intention. Below, the Pacific stretches calm and endless, while above it, engines cut through the silence like thunder. This is where focus becomes instinct, and instinct becomes legend.